Hello kids, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Smart Kids. This is Fayaz. Today we will be discussing on Roman numbers. What are Roman numbers? Roman numbers are ancient number system where letters represent numbers with 1, V, X, L, C, D, M standing for 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000 respectively. Let us now see the origin, how the Roman numbers originated. Roman numbers originated in ancient Rome and were used throughout the Europe until the late Middle Ages. Kids, now let us see the importance of Roman numbers. Studying Roman numbers provide a unique opportunity to connect with the history and mathematics. Furthermore, Roman numbers are still useful in everyday life, such as looking at clock faces and in book chapters, making them relevant and practical. Here are some Roman numbers 1 to 20. So 1 is represented as 1 in Roman number. 2 we will be writing it as 1 and 1. 3 will be writing as 1 1 1. 4 we will be writing as 1 and V. 5 we will be writing it as V. 6 we will be writing it as 6 V plus 1. 7 we will be writing it as V plus 1 1. 8 we will be writing it as V 1 1 1. 9 we will be writing it as 1 X. 10 we will be writing it as X. 11 we will be writing it as X and 1. 12 we will be writing as X and 1 and 1. 13 we will be writing it as X 1 1 1. 14 we will be writing it as X 1 V. 15 we will be writing it as X and V. 16 we will be writing it as X V and 1. 17 we will be writing it as X V 1 1. 18 we will be writing it as X V 1 1 1. 19 we will be writing it as X 1 and X. 20 we will be writing it as X and X. There are numbers like 50, 500, 500 and 100 where 50 will be written it as L. 100 we will be writing it as C. 500 we will be writing it as D. 100 we will be 1000 we will be writing it as M. Now let us understand how these numbers are being calculated, how we are able to get X, V, how we will be writing X 1 V. So for doing the addition, when a smaller number is placed after the larger number, then their value is added. For example, V and 1 means 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. When subtracting a smaller number placed before a larger number, then we will need to subtract. For instance, 1 and V means 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Now, symbols can be repeated up to 3 times to represent larger number. For example, 1 1 1 in Rome is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now let us do converting numbers to Roman numbers. 25. Considering we know 10 will be written as x, then again 10, which means we are at 20 here, then we means now we are 10 plus 10, 20 plus 5, 25. Then moving on, 30 will be written as x, 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 which means 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. Then for writing 40, we know 50, we will be writing it as L. So first we will be writing it as L, then considering it is already 50, we will be deducting 10. So which means we will be writing it as x in the left side. As we have known from the definition, to do a subtraction, a smaller number is placed before a larger number. Then we need to subtract. So here the smaller number is x, which is 10, and larger number is 50, which is L. So hence we will be writing it as x and L. In the same way, here 49, x, L is larger number, then we will be writing it as x and 1. This is 9, 1 and x, 9, then we have L. As per the chart, 50 means L. So I'll be writing it as L. Yeah. Now moving on. Kids, any idea how we will be writing it as L? Or 60 for that matter? 60 will be written as x. Sorry, L plus x. L will be written, x will be written after L for the addition purposes. 100 from the table we know it as C. C. 99 we will be writing it as C is 100, X is 90, now it becomes 90, then I'll be writing it as 1 here. So which means here I'll be writing it as 99. This becomes 99. And from the given table we know 500 is D. So I'll go ahead and write it as D. Moving on. How do we do 400? We know 500 as D. And 100 we know is L. Sorry, C. So what I'll be doing it as C will be written here. Thousand is M. So in order to get 2000 here, we will be writing 1000 plus 1000, which is M plus M is 2000. Again 2500, M plus M, 1000 plus 1000 plus D. D is 500. So hope you have understood converting numbers to Roman numbers. Kids, now let us look at converting Roman numbers into numbers. So for this purpose, what I'll be doing is x is xv1, which is x means 10. I'll be writing 10 plus we know v is 5 plus 1 we know 1, which means we will get 16 as the answer. Now moving on, x we know 10 plus we have 10 again here x, however we have my 1 as well in between, which means I have to deduct 1 here. So thereby I'll be getting it as 19 as an answer. So we know xc. How do we do, kids? So from the table we know C stands for 100. So 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. So again cx1. How do we do, kids? C stands for 100. Considering we have 10 here plus 10 plus 1 is equal to, what do we get, kids? We get 111 as the answer. Now C1x, C is 100, again x is 10 we have, however we have 1 here wherein I would have to deduct from 10. Which means I'll be getting 99 as the answer. Now CD. Children, any guesses on CD? As per the table, we know D is 500 and C is 100. D, so 500 minus, considering C is a smaller value than D, so we need to deduct 100. So I'll be getting it as 400. So for DMM, we need to do it as 1000 plus 1000. So D is smaller than 1000, like for M. So I need to minus the 500. So I'll be deducting 500 here. So 2000 minus 500, I'll be getting 1500 as the answer. So that's all for now, kids, on the Roman numbers. Hope you have understood both converting Roman numbers to numbers and numbers to Roman numbers. Do let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you.
Thank you for watching my video. Please do like the video, share with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I will be back with another video very soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.